Hi, Maryland. Governor Wes Moore here, and I wanted to talk to you about emergency preparedness. One of the best things you can do to be ready for any event is to build an emergency kit for your home and office. Your kit should be secure, easy to access, well-stocked, and most importantly, checked and restocked regularly. Your main emergency kit should include essentials like food and water, medication, flashlights, a radio, extra batteries, and first aid materials. You should also include important documents like copies of insurance policies, IDs, and bank account records, and have them in a waterproof case. Emergency preparedness matters when you're on the road too, so pack a kit for your car as well. To learn more about building your disaster supply kits, follow the Maryland Department of Emergency Management on social media and visit mdem.maryland.gov. Until then, stay safe, Maryland.